Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are getting ready to go camping, and if you have been following our channel for a while, you might have watched our Valentine's Day video, and I am making the waffle mix from that video to take with us. Now, I have this Suncor Foods, and my prickly pear powder is like totally a solid chunk in there. It's supposed to be powder, so not quite sure what's going to happen, but we'll run through the rest of the ingredients with you in case you missed our Valentine's Day video. Okay, after about 5 entire minutes of banging this thing on the counter, I got it as broken back up into a powder as possible. So, it may look like the kitchen is a total disaster right now, which it is, but I'd rather mix this up at home than take it in the camper. You get what I'm saying? Taking all these separate ingredients in the camper. So now the whole point of this was I have this container right here, and hopefully this mixture is going to fit in here. Now this is a double batch of my recipe. If it fits in here with more room, then we'll make another batch. If not, a double batch will be fine. It's going to make tons of waffles. And of course, we have to use some golden shovels to carefully scoop our mixture. I'm just kidding. They're not gold. They look gold. These are 69 cents for a set of 4. It is one of our cutest Temu influencer finds to date. If you would like these 69-cent set of 4 little shovel-shaped spoons, they are going to be linked down below. And you can use our promo code GET2440 to get a total percentage off of your total order for new app users. And our container is not even half full. So we are going to make another double batch, because when you're going to go camping for a month, we might eat a lot of these waffles. So let's go back to the scale, and we are going to go through this one ingredient at a time. 50 grams of turbinado sugar, 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 72 grams of powdered maple sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half of a teaspoon of baking soda, 40 grams of whole egg powder, 90 grams of butter powder, 30 grams of honey powder, 10 grams of olive oil powder, 50 grams of Evolve Berry Medley protein powder, and 8 teaspoons of this passion fruit flakes, and 8 teaspoons of this prickly pear powder. Now, if you wanted to turn all of this into waffles, you would need 4 cups of water. But really, I'm sure you could adjust the water however you wanted. Now we're just going to add this to our big batch. Well, we are all finished. There is our delicious waffle mix. All you got to do is add water. And I did obviously use a number of kind of strange ingredients that you might not just have sitting around your house all the time. So I think, don't quote me, I think everything I used is available on Amazon. So I will have Amazon affiliate links down below for all of that good stuff, just in case you want to make this absolutely freaking amazing love-filled waffle mix. Now, one thing to note is, we'll go see Zena first of all, is if you're looking for like a super crazy sweet waffle mix, this probably isn't for you. It has that sugar in it, but not very much. So it's more of like an intense protein berry-y fruity waffle mix. But again, it's not super sweet, which honestly, I'm addicted to sugar. So it's kind of surprising that I like it so much. And honestly, I thought about changing it today. And I'm like, no, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I made these in honor of my love to Mr. Cameraman on Valentine's Day. They came out absolutely, totally, 100% perfect, so I am not changing the recipe. This is what I did then, and it's what I'm gonna do now. Thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to get on Temu and use our coupon code GET2440 to get a total % off of your total order for new app users. Definitely check out all of the products we use to make this on Amazon. All of those are going to be linked down below. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.